Welcome to the cockroach trap test. Here we have 5 live cockroaches, baby cockroaches, and 4 types of sticky things mounted on the cardboard from cornflakes. Here we have number 1. We have the carpenter sticky tape, the ones that is masking tape for walls. When you paint them, it's semi-sticky. Let's see how it goes. Is it very sticky for the cockroach? In the middle I put a little bit of glue, paper glue. The cockroach seems to be swimming in the glue, so it doesn't work. This sticky tape is a little bit sticky, so the cockroach stick to it, but it still can walk. So basically the cockroach is basically moving almost freely. It just gets sticky legs, it gets tired, and then it takes a break. Okay, second seems to be working. We have the regular very sticky plastic all-purpose sticky tape. It's better not to take with hands, as you can see. Let me clean the hands of the baby. Okay, hands are clean. Back to the test. Do the cockroach stick to the all-purpose duct tape? In America, North America, the people call it duct tape. It's a basic tape, plastic tape that is very sticky, and you can break with the hands without scissors. The cockroach appear to be sticking to the duct tape more than to other tape. Some movement appears to be in process. Looks like the cockroach can actually walk on the sticky tape a little bit, very little bit, but it is very difficult. The legs do stick very much. You see how the behind legs, the flat legs from the cockroach, how they stick to the sticky tape. And what appears to be happening is that the cockroach is trying to clean itself. So it is trapped in the cleaning circle. It's like a trap where it tries to clean and clean, obsessive cleaning of itself. Tries to clean one leg and then the other leg gets sticky. So it tries to clean the other leg. It's like a perpetual cleaning obsession for the cockroach. It's not the stickiness itself alone. Okay, this other sticky tape, the cockroach is basically walking on it slowly. It slows them down, but they still not get trapped. You see, it's also trying to clean itself. It does not plug the glue on the leg. Here we have a beautiful zoom in. Cockroach cleaning itself. You see the leg gets stuck, it's trying to clean itself. This cockroach goes in the food if you don't trap it. People usually don't like cockroaches in their food. The chickens, they would love this, but people don't like it. Okay. Back to the good stick tape. What this one is doing. Let's zoom in a little bit. This one, here's some movement. How does it do it in the movies? Zoom, enhance, center, zoom, 2000 zoom, enhance, zoom, stabilize. Computer, stabilize. Okay, computer, stabilize. It appears that the cockroach is cleaning itself obsessively. It wants to remove the stickiness of the tape. Something is working. At least they stay in the same position on the most sticky duct tape. On the transparent film tape, They just basically walk over the tape, nothing happens to them. In the center I put a little bit of paper glue, so they are attracted to the paper glue and they want to eat it. Okay, these are basic home solutions to create an environmentally friendly cockroach trap. Okay, let's do a live action test. We take one cockroach and we put it on the tape. Let's see if it can walk. Okay, it went to the tape. It walked a little bit. And the back leg got stuck. It appears that their back legs get stuck. Can make a few extra steps. What happens when they break their back legs, I don't know. Cockroaches are very resilient. They can survive toxins, traps, radiation, extreme environments. What they like is heat. They don't like the cold, they like the heat of the flats. And they have this big antenna. This big antenna, they communicate something with this big antenna. It's like the Wi-Fi for them. Smell, taste, communication. So whatever they do with the antenna, they communicate. And you see, they appear to be searching for signal, or for food signal, or communicate between themselves. They communicate by I don't know what. These are the nasty cockroach. The household one, not the forest one, not the tree one. It's trying to do something, trying to unstick itself, but it was stuck. So for those who are wondering how you can make a cockroach trap yourself, very simple. There's a cardboard and stick it, make like a loop in a flat. So I'm gonna make more of those and see how many cockroaches I can catch. Good luck everybody to the people who have cockroaches at home and who wants to get rid of them. The nasty little bugs, adorable when they are not in the home. Outside they do their job well, they clean the forests. In the jungle, in the homes, they are not so welcome. Okay, good luck with the cockroach problem. Have fun.